Welcome to Royal Sovereign International's instructional video on the uncrating process for the 55-inch RSC 1402 CW and the RSC 1402 HW. You will need a cordless drill with an 8mm nut driver, a pair of tin snips, and 2 people will be required for heavy lifting. Begin by first cutting the metal strapping with your tin snips. Use your cordless drill and 8mm nut driver to remove the screws from the crate. You'll find it easier to first remove the top cover, followed by the left cover, and then the right cover. Remove the remaining covers by using your cordless drill and 8mm nut driver to remove the remaining screws. Remove the plastic covering the unit. Next, one person will need to lift one side of the unit while a second person removes the stands. Open the starter kit and pull out the bolts, washers, and the included Allen key. You'll need this to complete assembly. Locate the double support bars and unwrap them. Remove the wrapping around the stands. Connect the support bars to the stands using the longer bolts. Feed the bolts in from the finished side of the stand. Ensure all the bolts are firmly fastened to the double support bars. Make sure the front of the stand is parallel to the front of the unit. 2 people will be required to lift the unit and to place it on the stand. Ensure the base of the unit is resting evenly on the stand. Take the shorter bolts and secure the stand to the base of the unit. You are now ready to set the unit up in your workspace.